Welcome to Bear Bustle WashU. I'm Danny from Campus Live, subbing in for Morgan. There's a lot happening this week, and you can find these events and more on Woogo. First up, the Lunar New Year Festival's annual show premieres this weekend. Richard Nee is here to tell you more.
The Lunar New Year Festival is one of WashU's largest student-run and produced cultural shows celebrating Asian culture. This year, our show is going to look different. It's going to be completely virtual, premiering on YouTube on March 27th at 7 p.m. You can find more information about how to watch on our website at lnyf.wustel.edu or our social media on Facebook and Instagram.
Thanks, Richard. I'm excited to watch. African Student Association is hosting a craft night on Thursday and their African Film Festival this weekend. And finally, Asian Music Association's virtual open mic night is Friday. Submit your performance via Woogo by Wednesday. That's it for this week, WashU. Make it a great one.